Hello children, in this video I am going to explain you about your marking scheme and about your syllabus. Now see here, you can see on the screen, this is syllabus and the split up I made by me. So your syllabus is divided into two parts, part A, part B. Part A is employability skills, part B is information technology. So coming to the part A, in part A having 5 units like communication skills, self-management skills, information technology skills, entrepreneurial skills, green skills. So you will be asked 10 marks from part A section. And coming to the part B, web applications, word processing, spreadsheet, digital presentation, email processing, database development. So from part B section you will be asked for 40 marks. I think you people are aware of that your theory paper is for 50 marks. So those 50 marks is divided into 10, 40. Part A 10 marks, part B 40 marks. So totally your theory paper is for 50 marks and remaining 50 marks is for your practicals. And so if you take part A is completely new to you, communication skills, self-management skills, all these skills. So this is available in employability skills book. The book name is employability skills. So employability skills means to do computer related jobs or data entry operator and any other programming jobs, means what type of skills a person required. So all the skills are given here in this book, employability skills. And if you take part B, information technology, so in the information technology almost all the chapters you studied in your earlier classes, like word processing means Microsoft Word, spreadsheet, digital presentation, email processing, database development. So in the ninth class you have studied word processing, spreadsheet, digital presentation, all these things of basics. Now in this level, 10th standard, they have given in intermediate. Intermediate means that little bit advanced of basic, like mail match you will study in word processing, like editing and formatting. If you take spreadsheet, you're going to use different functions and formulas in spreadsheets. Digital presentation, like how to give animations, transitions, and how to add narrations and music files to your presentation. And email processing, how to forward your email and how to attach images or files and different document to your mail. And database development means this is about MS Access and database. So these chapters already you have studied, and the new thing is here skills, like different skills. These are also very easy for you, like communication skills means what are the methods we have to follow, what type of different types of communications, like and self-management skills, information technology, again the basics of IT. Entrepreneurial skills means nothing but business skills. So like these different types of skills you are going to study in this session 2021. I think you are all clear about marking scheme also. So I'm showing CBSE and this is the CBSE published syllabus. So part A, part B, and we can see here the session is 1920 they have given. So that means for 20 and 21 session also we are following same textbooks and same syllabus here. So if you take for part A, employability skills, again 5 units, and for 5 units they will be asked for 10 marks. And part B, vocational skills, that means information technology book, like they have given 6 units. Unit 1 web applications, unit 2 word processing. See, we can see here intermediate, word processing of intermediate, and the digital presentation of intermediate, email messaging of intermediate. That means why they have given intermediate means you have already studied basics in 9th standard, word processing, spreadsheet, digital presentation, and database development is new to you in this session. So that's why the basics you have to study, and web applications also basics. So from part B you will be asked for 40 marks, from part A 10 marks. So total 50 marks for your theory paper. That means you have to appear for board exam for 50 marks, and remaining 50 marks for practical. That means whatever the projects you have submitted and based on the Viva and based on the written test, the remaining 50 marks practicals will be given for you. So this is about your syllabus and your marking scheme for the session 2021. I hope you all are understand. Thank you.